Good morning, guys. It's 17 May, Monday morning. Okay, before I get into crypto, let's have a quick look at gold and oil. So, gold, remember, I was talking about gold down here. Now, look where it is. It's done a massive move up to 1850, where I was looking for some sort of turn down again. Done the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up there. So, I'm expecting at least 3 waves or even a bigger 3 wave correction before it can resume. So just be aware of that. It is at an optimal level to start making a correction. Oil is misbehaving, like I said last week. It is, remember I said from the top here, we're going to go down, made a nice expanded flat pattern and stopped exactly there, just above my profit area. And now it's doing another move up again. So this being expanding flat, that means unfortunately this thing is going to want to do one more high at some point, and hopefully then I'll get an opportunity to sell again and buy lower down. And that's oil for now. Okay, let's get into cryptos. That's what we have. Bitcoin, guys, I've been saying this for what now? I don't know. Remember this A, the B, and we can see. So we looked at this, and I spoke to you about last week about this being the fourth wave, and we need to see a low down to 40-42 area. Well, this morning I woke up and it touched the 42 area exactly. So our target has been met for the down move. Now, don't just go in and buy and think it's the end of it. This thing will whiplash and mess you around a bit. So it can do, because it's done that, I feel if it doesn't go now, I've got a feeling it's still going to do another small dip into there before it could possibly turn up. Remember, I'm a technical analyst. I only look at tell you what I see. I'm not gonna be one of those guys that tells you, "Oh, this is going to the moon." Bye bye bye. Please, guys, use your own um, thoughts and then thoughts, your own research and all that. But from my point of view, I've got the ABC done. It's hit my blue box. It is ready for a possible move up from here. But there's so much negative press right now with BTC, Bitcoin being so bad for everything. I personally don't hold any Bitcoin. I sold mine quite a while back. I've taken my whole portfolio is taken up of XRP and other altcoins. I don't even touch Bitcoin anymore. I just analyze it for people that are interested and to basically guide the rest of the crypto market because everyone likes to follow where Bitcoin goes. So now what I've got is a possibility of this coming down to there, then up. But with all this negative press, I mean, if you look at what is this? The difference between Bitcoin and XRP. XRP, you guys know I'm a big believer in this thing going to the moon. We've got so much power usage in Bitcoin to mine a Bitcoin compared to XRP. XRP has already been mined. There's no mining involved at all, so no energy is being used. That's one of the things Elon Musk has been tweeting about is why he's pulled out of Bitcoin because it just uses too much energy. So yeah, that means I'll have to put my Tesla order on hold because all these tweets is really messing everything around. Okay, so just some comparison about when it was created, who created it, and then here we talk about the energy consumption, which is down here. It takes 73 tera kilowatts, to mine per year, with 0.01 for Ripple, the consumption of energy. If another picture here somewhere, hang on. Okay, so this one shows nicely the difference between Ripple, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So Bitcoin annually for mining it uses 68.81. What is that? Huge amount of kilowatt hours. Where Ethereum uses 90.6, which is still a lot, and Ripple only 0.01. But Elon's looking at a greener way to transact things for his buying Teslas. This is the thing to go for, is your Ripple. It's there, it's done. It's already in working for the banks and other companies. So it's proved in itself. So it is working. So forget about everything else. Personally, I'm not in Bitcoin. I like to buy Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and those type of things. Now, like I said, this thing can go up from here, but it can also dip down to there before it does anything. Ethereum had a very nice high, all-time high of 4,385, which was crazy high. This was inevitable. It has to come down for correction. This cannot carry on like this. Like I always say to you guys, when this thing goes like that, at some point you need to take profit because it will not carry on. It needs to do a correction of some sort before it can carry on again. All right, so it looks like it's at a good place now to carry on, but yeah, these things can go like this, and they can go like that, and they can go like that again. So be aware of that. So deeper pullbacks are always possible. No one's going to know where it's going to stop, but it's still a good place to buy right now if you're holding Ethereum. If I look at Litecoin quickly, Litecoin, okay, those who have been watching my videos since last few weeks ago now, remember this line, orange line of waves I drew here. Remember I explained to you guys the technical analysis of the old school pattern, head and shoulders. So when it made this high, I started drawing these lines, and I said, just for fun, let me leave it there and see what happens. I'm not bragging or anything like that. Please don't. I'm not that guy. But this is amazing. I can't believe how exactly. So it went up, came down, up to there, came down. Then a retrace and came down. So it is doing exactly as I hoped. So my group is in the buy already from the lows. I was still sleeping when this happened, so I am hoping for one small dip, and then I will get in as well into my Litecoin and hold. All right, so that's a possibility to happen, guys. Today is the day to be accumulating your stuff because this week is going to be quite a bullish, especially for altcoins. Bitcoin not so much, but altcoins are looking good for this week. XRP, wow, look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about. So I mentioned on Friday, I think that this looks like it could be forming a triangle. Well, I hope I told you that. Then this is now, okay, let me just go to 1 hour and I'll show you exactly what happened here. I actually closed my trade on Ripple last week with a little bit of regret, and then I woke up this morning all happy. So remember I said to you on when was it, Thursday, Friday, it was going like this, and I didn't like the way it was doing that. It was going too slow. It didn't just shoot up. So, and then it started correcting. So I got out. There's my little blue box. I closed my trade. Just to find later on, or was it Saturday morning? When was it? We just shot up like crazy and then ground its way higher, just shy of my red dotted line. Last month, I told you guys, this red dotted line needs to be broken before we're in a bullish market. So at the moment, while it's below that, we haven't actually confirmed that it's in a bull market at the moment. There's a long time correction happening. So once you break this level, then it's confirmed. So what happened over the weekend? Very high. So now I'm crying because I closed my trade there. But then it did do a very nice retrace. And then this morning, there's my blue box exactly at the lows. So I managed to get in perfectly timed. So my group got in as well. So everyone's doing very well at the moment and very happy with XRP. Let me just see here. This is looking good. So what the pattern it actually made was a bit of a, oh, how do I call this? A leading diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leading diagonal looks like that. Let me just do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5 with quite a sharp, pointy move like that. That's your leading diagonal. That means this is my wave 1 that started now, and this is my wave 2 down here. And now, once this thing breaks that, guys, it's going to be crazy. This will be wave 3. Wave 3 is always the long impulsive wave, which is the amazing moves on that. I did say last week we can come down anywhere here in this blue box. It has literally touched it there with a few pips. I was hoping, to be honest, it'll reach 130 for a very, very low price, but it stopped at 133. So I got in at 135, 134, 135 I got in. So that's all good stuff for now. Let's look at SHIB. Remember, SHIB is a brand new coin. It has been grinding all the way down. This looks like a wave A to me. So that is definitely done now. Let me go to 4 hours. Sorry, I'm talking a bit fast. I'm just trying to get this done in quick as possible because I record only lasts for 15 minutes. The screen recording software. So it's broken up, retraced, and this is going to go up. At a minimum, it'll be a B wave, then maybe C, and then a big move up. This you can say cheap. You guys need to get in this now. Doji. Okay, Doji. I'm still waiting for this thing to finish its correction. Remember, I said I'm looking for this either there or touch this box again and then down to this level before I will buy more Doji. But now it's just grinding sideways. So I have to see if it's going to break up here and do another correction. Otherwise, I can't buy yet. Personally, I really like this expanded fat pattern. So give me a target down here and then I'm up. All right, so then I will be buying definitely. What else? We got ADA, Cardano doing amazingly well. We got our 5 waves up. So I had my 5 wave about there. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I said, okay, that's the target reached, and this thing just went up and up and up. So it reached all-time high of 2.46. Since then, it's been doing a correction. So at least I think it should meet this channel line before it can go up. My personal view, well, that's my view now, but last week I was really hoping for this to come quite hard down to this level and then buy. I mean, this at 160 would be amazing buy on ADA Cardano, doing very, very well. And then Polkadot, another little one that's actually quite interesting. It's broken out of its triangle. It made all-time new high. That's the last high. So this new high is, let me just move the high. So that's a new high right there now. Broken out of triangle and retraced a little bit further. It's not giving me a proper signal here, so I can't buy yet. I'm not allowed to. I need to see information here. But if I do get this and I get a correction, then it's definitely a buy as well. So guys, that's it. But let's go back to Ripple. This is looking good. Very happy. Excited stuff. Okay, exciting stuff. Okay, guys, good luck. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am just showing you what I see, what I trade from all my years of technical analysis experience. Take it easy, trade safe.